Let's talk about the best OpenAPI editors that are out there today. First, I want to start off by talking about API-Fiddle. API-Fiddle is an OpenAPI editor that supports version 3.1, which is currently the most modern version. It has first-class supports for DTOs, versioning, and integrates with GitHub. Out of the options I want to discuss today, it is by far the most modern and user-friendly option. It has first-class support for versioning and data transfer objects and breaks down the complexity of a classic OpenAPI file into more manageable concepts. The bigger picture behind API-Fiddle is that it wants to facilitate API-first design, so you will be able to break down your OpenAPI file and edit it in drafts and then merge these drafts back into your master specification. The second option I want to introduce is Stoplight Studio. Stoplight Studio belongs to the same company that is responsible for the OpenAPI specification, which is called SmartBear. As far as graphical user interfaces go, it is probably the most feature-complete one, offering support for almost all OpenAPI features available today. Stoplight Studio is definitely enterprise-ready, but also comes with a somewhat steep learning curve. The last option I want to talk to you about is called OpenAPI Editor, and it's a plugin for VS Code. With roughly 1 million downloads, it is certainly a very popular option to edit OpenAPI files. The editor itself is a graphical user interface to edit OpenAPI files. It doesn't provide much help if you don't know what you're doing, but if you know what you're doing and if you know the shape and form of the OpenAPI file you want to create, it is definitely a practical tool to arrive at your final destination. That was it for today. If you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.